Imagine a 10 rupee note that you have accidentally washed in the laundry, spilled hot tea on, or tried to tear with your bare hands, and it survives perfectly. This is the reality of a polymer currency. Right now, a huge debate is taking over the internet. Is India finally replacing paper notes with plastic? A massive viral message is claiming that paper cash will be banned by June 30th, 2026. This has sent millions into panic. But before you rush to the ATM, let's clear it. The PIB fact check team just stepped into and called this specific deadline completely fake. No, your paper cash is not expiring. But yes, a massive change is driven behind the scenes at the up. Let's look at the real data, the secret trials, and why your money is about to get a major upgrade. First, let's understand what we meant by plastic money. We aren't talking about hard, stiff plastic like your debit or credit cards. These are called polymer notes. They are made up of a strong, specialized, non-porous plastic film. They feel incredibly lightweight, smooth, and flexible. You can fold them up and tuck them away just like a standard currency. Right now, over 60 countries worldwide including Canada, UK, and Australia, uses polymer notes. But why is a massive economy like India, which has heavily relied on cotton based paper notes for decades, suddenly planning this massive shift? The answer comes down with multiple crore crisis. Printing paper cash is costing India a fortune. According to the official report, the RBI spends a staggering 6,372 crores just to print new paper currency in a single financial. Why? Because traditional cotton paper notes get soiled, torn, and ruined incredibly fast under Indian weather conditions. Think of the intense sweat, dirt, and more fact, the RBI had to withdraw and physically destroyed over 23 billion ruined banknotes in just 1 year. Polymer notes solve this entire problem. They don't absorb sweat or liquid. They repel dirt and they last anywhere from 2 to 5 times longer than paper. By switching, the government could save thousands of crores of taxpayers' money over time. Now, you might be surprised to hear this, but this isn't India's first attempt. Way back in 2012, the government actually approved a massive pilot project to test 1 billion plastic of rupees 10 note. But fast forward to today, our banking technology has completely evolved. RBI Governor Sanjay Malhotra recently confirmed that polymer notes are once again under active evaluation. Experts believe the RBI will likely start small, rolling out plastic variant for heavily circulated. Low value notes like rupee 10 and rupee 20 denomination will start first. Beyond durability, there is one massive reason why the government wants this. Stopping fake currency. Paper notes can be copied using high quality scanners and polymer notes, however, are an absolute nightmare for quantifiers because they are printed on a specialized plastic film. The RBI can be embedded advanced security features directly into the material. We are talking about clear, see-through windows, color-changing hologram, and complex textures that are nearly impossible to replicate in a local fake note workshop. So, no, your paper notes are not being banned on June 30th. Your money is completely safe. But yes, the future of Indian currency is going digital and plastic. What do you think about this upgrade? Would you prefer plastic notes over paper? Let me know your thoughts in the comment box. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share this with your friends to stop rumors, and subscribe for real financial breakdown. See you in the next video.